What's the meaning of affiliate? Affiliate. 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 The term affiliate can have different meanings depending on the context, but generally, it refers to a person or organization formally associated with another larger entity. In business, it can refer to a company or individual that has a formal agreement to promote or sell products or services of another company. For example, an Amazon affiliate promotes and sells Amazon products for a commission. In terms of websites, an affiliate marketing program pays publishers, affiliates, a commission for each sale or lead generated from their referral. Overall, being an affiliate allows for a mutually beneficial partnership between two entities.